What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Entertainment. So, Colin Malachi has been suspended as the ANC Youth League president. So, this guy, he used to be very talkative, on public platforms, speaking for the ANC. And he has been suspended, because he was misleading, some ANC members over the role and powers of the ANC Youth League president. He was setting up parallel meetings, etc. And Colin Malachi is like he was now gunning to become the president of the ANC. And there were moments, when he was calling for those old guys at the top, like Mashatile, Ramaphosa, to step down so that the youth can take over. And Colin Malachi was like, Cyril Ramaphosa must be the last pensioner president and young people must be taking over. And he was talking sense, he was making sense, but it's only that, he was saying it like on the wrong platform. He was saying it in a way more of like challenging those who are above him. And unfortunately, now he has been suspended. And the likes of Fikile Mbalula is like they're very happy with this decision. I saw him posting, and welcoming the decision taken by the ANC Youth League. So, with no support from the top structures, because he was challenging them anyway, and no support at the bottom of the ANC Youth League, it's like his political career is done. This is it, this is over. And if he tries to leave the ANC and try to form his own party, I doubt anyone is going to follow him. So the next step for Colin Malachi is to humble himself, and probably hope, that he's going to be brought back as the Youth League president again. I'll catch you guys on the next one.